Hey guys, Doodler here again, and this is part 2 of the Animal Jam merchandise video set. And so right now, I'm going to be putting in the codes. I'm not, however, going to show you the codes because then you can like hack me and stuff. So pausing video. Okay, I'm on my account, and let's enter the code. Okay, I've entered in the first code, and ooh, mystical fairy wings. Very cool. Okay.
Put them on.
Wings. We'll be previewing those later on.
Oh, there's wings and stuff here.
Oh, that's my raccoons.
We'll be previewing those later on. Okay, now let's enter in the next code. Okay, next gift. The police chief hat, very starry. Okay, and let's write down hat. I had to write down what I got on those codes in case I need to put them in later on. Okay, now let's preview these. So I'm only going to be previewing it on the bunny, and I'm going to be previewing it with everything off. Wow, these look just like fairy wings, and I'm very glad that they're for non-members. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. Okay, I have to say I'm going to make a look out of this. So let's see here. No. Yes, let's put that in. And now maybe this. No. Okay, I think I'm just gonna leave it at that. And let's make my main color.
The wings look
Let's
like.
make it that color, hopefully.
Just the wings look like it's on her tail.
And then there's the black. How about fire? I think that'd be cool. Okay, now what color was that? I think it's that color. Yeah, it's that color. Okay, so here is my bunny. Okay, that's kind of cute. Do I have? No, I don't. I must have traded it away.
Trade what away?
Oh, no, here it is. No. Now let's see here. Maybe I could have this as part of my look. Nah, let's just leave it at that. Okay, so here is my new bunny.
I went to your den and took $2.
Oh?
Yes.
Oh,
and
look at that.
I'll never give them back.
Uh-oh. Your PC is being slowed by dumb stuff. Okay. I think I saw sparkles. Oh, these wings sparkle. How cool.
I can't get the wings back on.
Here, I'll help.
Almost fine.
There it is.
Now for.
Okay. And now in the stores, there is all this hay stuff. Very barn-y. And then the soccer ball mask. I think that they're bringing back a bunch of the betas, which really annoys me. Oh, yeah. That might be really cute. Let's see if we can find the right color. This is actually really cute. Okay. And then in here, the rose is back, as well as this Fishes Alley plants. Sounds kind of like Prince Ali. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this unwrapping thing. And that was part 2. If you didn't see part 1, be sure to check it out. Doodler out.